Hello students, so today we are going to discuss about real arithmetic. In the previous class you studied about what is integer arithmetic, right? Integer arithmetic in the sense, so in the expression, while doing arithmetic operations, if the operands are integers, then that type of arithmetic is called as what? Integer arithmetic. So next we are going to study about real arithmetic. Real arithmetic. Real arithmetic means an arithmetic operation involving only real operands. It involves only what? Real operands. Real operands anta helidre, if I have a arithmetic expression like this, a plus b, integer arithmetic andre a matte b eradu integer agirutte. For example, if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 7, those are nothing but what? Integers. Here a and b both are integers, then that type of expression is nothing but what? Integer arithmetic. Real operands anta helidre, if a and b are both real values. Real anta helidre, if it includes fractional point, that is decimal numbers like this. Decimal point admele numbers idre adna ನಾವು real numbers anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That is a fractional part kuda irutte. Not only a integer part, it contain a fractional part also. That is, if both are real, if both are real operands, then that type of arithmetic are nothing but what? Real arithmetic anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Then a real operand may assume values either in decimal or in exponential notation. So this is a decimal values. Idu decimal notation. Exponential notation anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, for example 3e5 anta ಬರೀತೀವಲ್ವಾ, you studied, right? In the previous topics you studied 3e5 andre it is nothing but 3 into 10 power 5, 3 into 10 power 5. Then 3e minus 5 anta helidre, it is 3 into 10 power minus 5, like this. This is a exponential notation and this is a decimal notation. It contains both. For example, if I consider a is equal to 6.0 divided by 7.0. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 6 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್, 6.0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ 6.2, 6.1, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 6.0 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 7.0? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 6 by 7, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0.857143 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 0.857143. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ 6 by 7 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನನಗೇನಿದೆ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್, ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1.0 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3.0, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 0.3333 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ and c is equal to, for example, 3.5 plus 7.3 anta helidre, it is what? 0.5 plus 0.3 andre 0.8. Then 3 plus 7 is what? 10. 3.5 plus 7.3 is what? 10.8 barutte. These type of operations are called as what? Real arithmetic. And in order to perform a real arithmetic, we can perform all the arithmetic operations except modulo. Modulo division na ನಾವು real arithmetically ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. We cannot perform a modulo division on real numbers. It can perform only on a what? Integers. Which are the arithmetic operations we have? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then modulus, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and what? Modulus. We can perform all the 4 operations on real arithmetic except one, that is modulo division. We can perform addition on real numbers, then subtraction on real numbers, multiplication on real numbers, and division on real numbers, but we cannot perform a modulo division on real numbers. But we can perform all the 5 operations in integer arithmetic. For example, we cannot write like this, 3.5 mod 7.3 anta bariyakagala. This modulus operator does not work on a real numbers. But I can write 3.5 divided by 7.3. Means we can perform a division, but we cannot perform a what? Modulo division. This is nothing but what? Real arithmetic. Integer arithmetic anta helidre, if all the operands are integer, then that is nothing but what? Integer arithmetic. If all the operands are real numbers, then that is nothing but what? Real arithmetic anta heltivi. And next we have another type of operations, that is another type of operation, that is nothing but mixed mode arithmetic. Mixed mode ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ all the operands are integer. Real arithmetic ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ all the operands are real numbers. Mixed mode ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ when one of the operand is integer and another operand is what? Real number, then that type of operation is nothing but what? Mixed mode arithmetic. That is when one of the operand is real and the other is integer, then the expression is called a mixed mode arithmetic expression anta heltivi. For example, like this, 15 plus 3.5. So here 15 is a integer and 3.5 is a what? Real. Here we have two types of numbers, eradu type ide, mixed form alli ide. Here two operands are not a integer and two operands are not a real numbers. Here one is integer and another one is what? Real number. Then this type of expression is nothing but what? Mixed mode arithmetic anta heltivi. And what is the result of 15 plus 3.5? That is 18.5. And if either operand is of the real type, then only the real operation is performed and the result is always a real number. Ega for example ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು? ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರೇ ಬರೋದು. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 15.3.0 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. So here 15 is an integer and 3.0 is a what? Real number. 15 is an integer and 3.0 is a what? Real number. 3 5s are 15. But since it is a real number, the result is 5.0 anta barutte. The result is what? 5.0. But if I write 15 by 3, here both are integers, so the result is what? 5. But if I write 15 divided by 3.0, the result is what? 5.0 barutte. So then this type of expression is nothing but what? Mixed mode arithmetic anta heltivi. Thank you.